Hey my beautiful family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's look I'll have for you this look I'm wearing, which is a very nice, summery, brilliant, orange look, a monochromatic look for you my friend. If you are a beginner at the beginning of your career, it is very important for you to do all the colors of the look, and in this look I've done for you and a half cut crease, so watch me out. And if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow styler in the shade medium brown 11, and this is it. Then I have sculpted them up with my instant anti-age eraser multi-use concealer in the shade 08 buff. And I have set up my lid with my infallible L'Oreal 24-hour fresh wear foundation in a powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friend, I will use that palette, which is a very nice palette, and I will do for you an orange look. I'm taking this fluffy big brush, and on the edge, this is a very nice light orange to pink color. And I will apply that on the whole lid of the eye, not only on the crease, on the whole lid. It is an easy look, very summery look, colors that almost matches to the most skin tones, and very easy to do, of course, a flawless look, summer look. I'm applying it on the whole lid. Then I will continue with my eyebrow 104, this another type of brush, and the other which is a pink, a shimmery pink, beautiful color, and this color I will apply it on the whole eye, on the whole lid. Beautiful colors, I really love them. And now I'm ready to move on to my orange color. In this case, I will have a cut crease for you. I will take my concealer brush, this flat, smart, small brush, and I will take that color. I will do a cut crease, and then I will use that color, which is a very light, bright, shimmery orange. Taking my concealer brush and my NYX Bear With Me concealer, the concealer you use, and starting to do a half cut crease, not in the whole eye, a half cut crease I need for that. Starting from the inner part of the lid till the middle of the eye, and applying the product, any product you have for concealer, applying it on the whole eye, of course. You can leave it about 1 minute just to get dry. I'm taking then that type of brush and my powder to apply over the concealer to have a better result. Don't apply the color as it is, it has to get dry for some minutes, and then apply your powder, a light powder of course, and then apply the color. Beautiful. It's gonna be a very beautiful summery orange, total orange look. And of course, over that, taking this bright, as we have told, bright light orange color to apply it on the lid. On the whole lid, of course. I'm connecting the two colors with the previous color, the shimmery pink, always connecting the colors to have a smooth result. Of course, under my brow bone area I will apply my shimmery orange highlighter It's gonna be a very beautiful result. Yes, very summery, orange colored result. Just a few coffee while I work because I need my coffee. Now, my friends, I'm going to do my other eye off camera and coming back. My eyes are ready and now I'm going to move on to my lashes. I will leave that look as it is. I will not wear an eyeliner. I don't want for that look because I want to be very intense, the orange inside. So I will try in this case this type of short one by one little lashes. Of course, before I will have my lash curler as you see, and I will apply my classic black vortex mascara. Always apply mascara before the false lashes, and then I will wear the false lashes, of course. Going to wear them, my friends, and coming back. My false lashes are ready. As you have seen, I put 3 of them on the outer corner of the eye and 3 on the other outer corner of the eye because I wanted a very natural result in this look. I didn't want something intense. So I'm going to continue with the rest of the face. Maybelline Fit Me New York Luminous and Smooth Eye Primer. Face primer. Moisturizing. As I need for my combo to dry skin, and we have told many times that I have done the whole skincare before I started my makeup look. And of course, my new Golden Rose HD High Definition Foundation Soft Focus Flawless Finish SPF 15. 115 golden base. This is a very nice, luminous, moisturizing, and it's getting dry matte foundation. I'm gonna apply on the face with my kabuki brush. I always do, starting with a kabuki brush. It is a medium to full coverage foundation, and it's getting dry matte. And I will mix with a little of the Born to Glow. The most times in my makeup, I will mix my foundation. It is a tone lighter, but this Golden Rose, as I see it, the first time I'm using it, but as I see it, it's a full coverage foundation. Good for me because I want, in a very professional look, you have to wear a full coverage foundation. And especially if you want to do a photo shooting, your Instagram photos, use a full coverage foundation. And of course, continue to apply the foundation with my Well Beauty blender to have the best result. My other next step, of course, is my concealer. Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. Applying on the inner part of the lid, as we always do, not under the bottom eye area, and on the outer corners of the lid, of the eye, some dots, some product on the nose, on the mustache area, and on the chin area, of course. And applying this with the White Beauty blender. Very nice product, this concealer. Continuing, liquid bronzer, Mon Rive Bronze Skin. On the cheekbone area, near the nose, on the forehead, and on the jawline. With my Wet Beauty blender, and of course, if you want, with a kabuki brush, but I think that the Wet Beauty blender is the rightest way to apply this liquid product. Anything you want, anything it is convenient for you, but any product you're starting to apply with a brush, then it is more better for you. It is a very nice, it is giving a good blending to continue with a beauty blender. Of course wet, always wet. I'll use one, where is the other, yes, my MUA liquid blush in the shade watermelon. It is an intense blush. Applying it first, as you see, with that type of brush. And on the nose, of course. And of course, continuing with the beauty blender to have a nicest result. It is a little intense, we know that. And Stellar liquid highlighter with my fingers at first time, but continuing with the beauty blender. Continuing with powders, loose powder. Applying some product with the beauty blender, as you see, under the eye. I will have some bake, soft bake. And on the thin area, in this case, in this part of the face, we want to clean up these areas. And I will leave that for some minutes until I will finish with my under eye area and with my other powdery products. Of course, continuing with my MUA Bronze Perfection, which is my bronzer, this is. Always when we apply liquid products, we continue with powdered products. I'm telling you, continuously. Of course, cyan highlighting powder, a very nice coral, pink coral blush. And my orange highlighter with this type of brush. Dusting off the whole powder. We don't need much powder, we have left it about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to end up with my bottom eye area with the same colors we have used on the upper lid. I'm applying first the first color, the lightest, then I'm taking the pink, which is an undertone darker, and over that I will use and the pink and the orange. And of course on the bottom eyes, one coat of mascara. The Colossal Care Bounce, that's one coat. We want something soft in this case. And the last step is our lips. Elixir 053, red color, orange, deep orange red color. Usas matte lipstick 6, deep red color, orange deep red color, the color of the fire. And of course, my last step is my fixing spray, Fiore Vita. We have told that this is a very, very important step. So, with this step, we can have our makeup during last many hours in the day. Well, my friends, This is my complete finished look for you. It is a very nice summery look, orange look, orange red look. It is very bright, light, bright, brilliant color. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!